Bro, this thing looks so much better. I'm telling you guys, the smallest things make the biggest difference. Wow, the car sounds 100 times better. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I feel like I haven't shown my face in the videos in such a long time, so I thought let's go ahead and start doing that again. I feel like a lot of people like that style of vlogs better, so I'm gonna try to incorporate it more often. But anyways, today we're currently on the way to Santa Ana. We're gonna be doing something small to the Q, but as you guys know, a lot of the small things make the biggest difference. So one of the homies hit me up and pretty much asked me if I wanted to do this, and I said hell yeah I do. So that's exactly what we're about to go do right now. All right guys, we made it, and the thing we're doing to this car today is actually wrapping the license plate. So it's no longer going to be white, it's going to be just a basic black and yellow. Like I said, it's a small mod, but the smallest things make the biggest difference. So this is the before and after. Bro, this thing looks like the real thing. It's really perfect. Look at that. Damn, that's gonna look so good on it. But yeah, shout out to the homie.
What's up, bro?
Exotic Pro Wraps got me right. Let's go ahead and check out his 350Z he has over here. So the wrap he has says Takeover Patrol. I never seen this, bro. It's pretty sick. I like it.
Yeah.
Gotta patrol them takeovers, bro.
We'll put some lights in there too. Put some cop lights in there. So.
Oh, for real? Like the little siren things?
Yeah.
It's pretty sick. I never seen one of these before. I can't do this though. I'll probably get state rep instantly. Damn. They call the cops on my boy.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, they're gonna write him up for impersonating a cop. Damn. Oh, you should go tell her, like, hey.
It's a girl too.
Yeah, you should go tell her, hey, I'm your partner.
Yeah, remember. What seems to be the problem? I was already here.
I was already taking care of the situation. What are you doing? Bro, this thing looks so much better. I'm telling you guys, the smallest things make the biggest difference. Alright then guys, time for me to go home. Try to beat this traffic once again. Huge shout out to my boy Exotic Pro Wraps for inviting me over and getting this license plate taken care of. If you guys need any type of license plate wraps, he's also, I think, wrapping cars too, right?
Yeah, I wrap cars, hood wraps, roof wraps, whatever you guys want.
He does it all that has to do with wraps. So if you guys are interested in any of those services, I'm gonna go ahead and leave his Instagram right here. Hit him up and let him know that I sent you. He'll get you right. But time for me to hit the road. So since I was down the street from the shop, I thought why not come and visit the homie really quick. You guys know who this is. The guy that tunes my cars, builds my motor, does everything. The homie Naz's car. I guess he's actually gonna go mid-mount turbo next. This freaking turbo is humongous. And then little stock queen over here. I'm actually probably gonna bring my car this week. I'm hoping to fix a little small fuel leak it has. I just don't want to pay for a tow truck, bro, if I'm being honest.
2,000 years later.
What's up, YouTube? Picking this camera up a few days later from the last clip you guys just saw. We are currently on the way to the homie Daniel's house. He's actually going to do me a solid and give me his stock headers that he had on his 370Z. He upgraded, so he doesn't need them. For those of you guys that might not know, or I think I've said it on the channel already, I took in my car to like 2 or 3 different shops to fix a header leak, and none of them have gotten it right. I was at the point where I was like, oh, whatever, I'll just buy some aftermarket headers, slap it on. There cannot be a leak that way, but honestly, I didn't really want to throw more money into that car. I want to really focus on bringing the Z back with the turbo kit. So if I could save some money, I will. Therefore, I'm gonna just throw on these stock headers. That should eliminate the header leak. I'll probably end up tuning it this weekend or Monday or something. So as of right now, we got like a 30-minute drive to the homie Daniel's house. I'll pick it up once we're there. Huge shout out to my guy Daniel once again for literally giving me these. I'm gonna slap them on hopefully tomorrow morning, and then finally be good. Stay tuned.
The next day.
All right guys, it's now the next day. We made it to Ralph's muffler shop. We're gonna go ahead and leave the car here. We're gonna put on the lift, let it cool down. All right guys, well, we drop off the car. Now we wait until it's ready. Should be ready in a couple hours. All right guys, it is now a couple of minutes, almost an hour from the last clip you guys just saw. Now we're in and out. I haven't ate all day, so I'm gonna grab some food. Low-key, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous because I've had pretty bad experiences with this whole situation of the header leak since like last year with I don't know how many different shops. But the guy told me that they'll take care of me, so let's hope by the time we pick up the car, there's no more leaks.
The next day.
All right guys, it's now the next day. They ended up keeping the car overnight because it didn't finish. So we're back at Ralph's muffler shop. The car is done. Yep. A lot better already. Bro, finally, dude. Finally, the header leak is gone. It's actually gone this time. Wow, bro. I am literally speechless. It's finally gone. You guys have no idea how happy I am right now. Dude, I was nervous coming over here. I was like, bro, if I hear a leak, I give up. Wow, the car sounds 100 times better. I am so happy right now, bro. It's not even funny. Huge shout out. My guys over at Ralph's Muffler over here in Fontana. Finally, bro, shop got it right. I've spent like 700 bucks besides what I just paid right now. I'm trying to get this header fixed. I could have just bought some aftermarket headers since the first place. Got it over with. But me, being cheap, not wanting to spend more money on this car that I have to, because it's a daily, I did it, and I ended up spending the money anyways. But on the bright side, the leak is gone. The leak is gone, which means we could finally tune this thing, finally get off this stupid base map, finally be able to do pulls, shoot flames, do everything. Bro, I am so happy right now. It's not even funny, bro. Like, oh, this is gonna be the test too right here. Yup, it's gone, bro. Thank God, dude. Thank God. But yeah, I'm definitely not doing the popcorn wrap anymore. Stop for some corn. I am so happy right now, guys. It's not even funny. We are finally able to tune the car now. So we also swapped the upstream O2 sensor. So that issue's taken care of. Now the header leak, thank God, is taken care of finally. We can dyno this thing. We'll probably dyno this if my tuner is available tomorrow, or if not the next day, whenever he's available at this point. I'm so excited, bro. I haven't been this happy in a minute, at least with this car. Now that this car's taken care of, we can now focus on the Z finally. My turbo kit is still up for sale. If anybody wants it, please let me know. I am going to be taking the car to the shop to fix a small little fuel issue it has. And if somebody wants it, I mean, that's a perfect opportunity to take off the kit. Like I said, nothing is wrong with the kit. I just want to go a different route. Want to do like a different placement. I'm not sure if I want to do top mount or mid mount yet. Like I said, nothing's wrong with the rear mount. That thing is super sick. You can break necks everywhere you go. But it's time for something else. So if anybody watching this is interested, DM me. I wasn't trying to ship it, to be honest, but now I'm kind of down. You just gotta pay for shipping, obviously. So if anybody watching this, like I said, wants a turbo kit, wants my turbo kit, and if you don't want, for example, like the Tome, or like you want to put on your own turbo type thing, we could do that obviously, and just work on the price as well. So let me know. That should be what's happening next. Taking the Z to the shop and getting that small little bug fixed. It's literally like the smallest thing. Just that I can't drive it, so I have to tow it. And your boy don't want to pay for a tow. All right, guys, we made it back home safe and sound. So the car does sound a little bit different. I'm pretty sure it's because of the fact that the headers are from a G37. It doesn't sound bad, but it does sound a little bit different. And also the car vibrates just a little bit. If it continues, I'll just take it back, but I don't think it should be that big of a deal. But on the bright side, the exhausting is done. It's over with, it's gone. And we're ready to tune. So that being said, that's probably gonna conclude today's video. I'm so sorry if this video's been all over the place, and I'm so sorry because I haven't uploaded. I've honestly just been very busy. But expect a lot of content with this car coming, tuning it, shooting flames, all that good stuff. If you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. See you guys on the next one.